Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly time frame, I still believe that this is going to end up being an uptrend. I think it's probably going to end up looking something like this, probably like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, most likely taking out these highs and end up being like a big wave A or possibly a big wave 1. Either scenario definitely doesn't matter to me because I will be looking primarily for longs on shorter time frames. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it seems very clear to me that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably a 1. I think this is an A, and I think this is an irregular wave B right here because it took out the high of the previous trend, or an irregular top in Elliott wave terms. And I think there's a good chance that we're probably not finished going down. We're probably going to go down to one of these three lower Fibonacci levels to finish this ABC of 2 before it actually heads up and makes that 3, 4, and 5, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, this definitely could end pretty much at any fib level, but I don't really think it's over yet. I think it is more likely to head down to like the 78 or the 100%. Really, the 100% is definitely the most likely place for it to go normally, but you can tell this is a strong move up with how much of a higher high this wave B made. So if we do see a downtrend, we do see an impulsive move up with a break of structure, then that's what's going to tell me that the fib, that even if it happens at a different fib level, that's what's going to tell me that this ABC correction is over, probably an ABC of 2, and that we're back to the uptrend, most likely in a wave 3. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, the last swing low is right here, the last lower high. We are definitely going up pretty strong right now, but I still think this is going to end up being a correction. I think it's going to make a lower high, and most likely continue the downtrend. I don't really see any reason to think the trend is over on like the daily, so I'm going to continue to look for shorts, at least until I see a break of structure to the upside. So let's keep that in mind, take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, this is definitely a pretty strong move to the upside. It's probably a trend for the wave A. It's probably eventually going to make a correction for the B and then back up again for like a C. So if it makes three waves up, impulsive down, takes out structure, makes a lower high, that's exactly what I'm looking for to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.